See, these Ibadan people, these Ibadan public transporters, I hope say they no go kill us last. Hi guys, good morning guys. I'm sorry, like seriously, I wanted to start this vlog before I left the house in the morning, but because I was late, I couldn't. So I went for a class this morning, like it's a personal class to be a better OAP, you understand? Because guys, I feel like I don't really know how to speak English very well. Like I really want to be better. Not that I don't really know how to speak good English, but I really want to be a better OAP. So I registered last year for a class, and the class has started this morning. You know, I'm not used to the whole thing, like going to class any longer, waking up early in the morning, like around 8 I left the house. So right now it's actually to 11, like 5 minutes. So I'm in East already to my place of work, that is Stride Radio for now, where I work as a volunteer, because the lunch hour should now start by 11 a.m., not 12 p.m. any longer. So I was just like, I have to carry you guys along. Let me just do this intro as I'm rushing down to the station. Let me just start the whole vlog. Anyways, welcome to this vlog. If you are new here, my name is Rejoice. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and leave your comments at the comment section. Guys, I don't know, this ring, this my ring, don't they cause swallow, don't they cause commotion? You know, when I got to the class, my boss was like my lecturer was like, Rejoice, are you married? I was like, yes. You know, after 9 months strike now, we got to be married. We don't want to expire. He was like, okay. Later I was like, no. I was like, so you are using your ring to chase men away, right? I don't even know what to tell him. So I was just like, let's continue class. Anyways, I will talk to you guys when I get to the station. Like a lot of things I need to tell you guys, but I'll talk to you when I get to the station. Bye for now.
Many hours later.
So guys, I'm just getting home, and guys, guess what? Like I've been so busy to the extent that I forgot that I've been vlogging. In fact, it was right now that I entered the house and I was like, can you guys just imagine that this girl forgets the fact that she has been vlogging a day? Anyway guys, I will see you all tomorrow, yeah, because right now we got to look for something to eat, and I want to relax as well, and I have 1 or 2 things to do. Like I have a course to read. I will talk to you guys later. Before that, the weather right now, guys, it looks as if it's about to rain. I don't understand though. Amatan no gree come Nigeria. This is January and the weather is looking as if it's about to rain. Ejo, what's happening? I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Pim.
The next morning.
Hi guys, good morning guys. How are you guys doing? Yeah, it's another new day, and guys, I woke up very late today. I woke up around 7. It was even a call that woke me up. I didn't know that Ojotilo, like I didn't even know that it's already morning. I was just enjoying my sleep. Anyways, welcome guys. This morning I have little things to do. Not like today, I don't really have much to do. Normally today I don't go to office, but I'll be going to my office today. Yeah, I'll be going to Stride Radio. There's a meeting. There's a meeting in my office today. Yesterday we ought to have the meeting, but they cancelled it. You know, the first meeting in the year 2021. So all OAPs will be coming around, and we'll be having the meeting with our HOP and HOS, then the GM. HOP means head of program, HOS means head of station, and GM, of course, everybody knows that. So I will be taking you guys along again today. I don't know why I'm just doing as if I'm dancing. Anyways, welcome guys. This morning I don't have much to do in this house. It's Tuesday, and normally on Tuesdays I always go to the city to record, but I won't be doing that today because of the meeting that we will be having. But maybe after the meeting I can try and fix 1 or 2 things, or try and record in the city for you guys to watch. And guess what guys, it's actually my uploading day. Yeah, today is Tuesday. You guys will be seeing a video which is a mukbang video where I talk about DNA test wahala in Nigeria. If you are yet to watch that video, the card will be up there. Please kindly watch, okay? This my hair is now rough, but leave that thing. We'll adjust it after bathing. Anyway, guys, right now I want to shower. I have spag to eat. Like right now, the first thing I will be doing is to eat that spag before I shower. Okay, so I will eat my breakfast. I will take my breakfast now, and after that, I will enter into the bedroom and shower. I will talk to you guys when I'm looking pumping. Right now, you can see Oju Yeru, like everything is just looking somehow. But maybe by the time I'm done eating and by the time I shower, you guys will see fine girl in New York City. I don't know how to sing that song very well, but I love it anyway. I'll talk to you guys later.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm fully dressed right now. I want to be on my way. This is my look for today, guys. It's just something simple, you understand. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Many hours later.
So guys, I'm done with the meeting. Yeah, I'm done, and right now I'm on my way to U-High area. I have one or two things to sort over there. Right now I feel like I'm shouting because the noise on this road is always too much. Like it's a busy road. Anyways, I will talk to you guys when I'm done. So guys, I'm on my way to my friend's house right now, and I'm on bike, guys. I'm on bike. Oh. So guys, I'm in my friend's house right now, and guess what? See, this is cherry agbalumo. Like seriously, throughout last year we didn't have agbalumo, and thank God this year 2021 we have it already. Even though this one is not sweet, like it's not sweet the way it ought to, but I will enjoy it. You can see the gum on my lips, guys. But let me just enjoy this. I will talk to you guys later.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Guys, I could not continue the vlog yesterday because myself and my friend, we were gisting throughout, and you know, we took a stroll and we're just chilling and some other fun, you understand. But then guys, yesterday when I was coming back home, it was already late. It was around 8 o'clock in the night, and normally my friend always wants me to take a boat, like, or Uber anytime I'm late like that in the night. So I was like, no, I cannot give somebody my 1,500 naira just like that. No, I can't do that. I would rather take public transport, and you know, I would take Micra and bike, you know, the two together, so that once I get home it will be cheaper, kind of, you understand. Like once I take bike from one junction to another, maybe like 50 naira, 100 naira, then I will take Micra to my house junction, not my house to be precise. So guys, when I got what's it called yesterday, Micra, I'm coming. Let me put water for this food because yesterday night I couldn't eat, guys. I couldn't eat. I was in shock. So when I got Micra yesterday night, the Micra, I didn't know that the Micra gel was not working perfectly. Like it was not working. The Micra man, you know, when I entered, of course I saw people inside, and I called where I was going to, and the man said come in, and he told me the price. So when I entered, I shall notice that I sat at the front, and I noticed Baba was fighting with the gel. I was wondering what is happening here. What's happening? And at some point the man have to park. And you know, some people wanted to drop before I got to my own bus stop, like my own destination. So for him to park safe is a problem. I don't know if it's only the gear and the brake that is not working, but I think the brake is working. It's only the gear, because for him he was just struggling with the gear. See, these Ibadan people, these Ibadan public transporters, I hope say they no go kill us last. Guys, like, let me just describe the journey. You should know how far the journey looks like. It's more or less like if you are heading from Iwo Road to Ojo. For people that knows Ibadan, they know how far Iwo Road is to Ojo. Like it's from one end to another end. And this man Sabi, like, he knows that his gear was not working perfectly. But old man just want to make money. Like he wanted to make money, and it was late already in the night. So when I noticed the man was struggling with the gear, I was like, Daddy, what is happening? Like, you know, driver, because he's not a young man. Assuming he's a young guy, let's just leave the talk. But because he's an old man, I was just like, Daddy, what is happening? Is it that the gear is not working? He said, I just noticed of recent that it's not, you know, the gear, when he's about to change the gear, it will not respond, that it's not working perfectly right now. But once he gets to our destination, not my destination, people are even moving ahead, like going to far place, even than where I dropped that. He's going to his mechanic shop. I was not like, but Baba, you know that this thing is not working. It's not as if you don't know. This is putting our life at risk, because for him to change from gear 1 to 2 probably just kept and from year 1 to 2, after moving for a period of time, the gear will not respond. And I was like, how can you just do this? Instead of me, guys, wait though. Now I already know that the gear is not working, and people inside the Micra as well already knows that the gear is not working, right? Instead of us to drop and say we are not going again, all of us, we are now calling on God. The way we call God in this country, may God forgive every one of us. Can I hear you say amen if you are a Nigerian? Guys, as in, we're not saying God have mercy, hey, may we get to our destination today. We will not die, but least quick. All of us were just praying. Instead of us to say, Baba, abeg pack, we won't drop. But because it was already late in the night, it was around 8 p.m. Not as if we can't get any other Micra. No. Even if it's around 11, you'll still get Micra. Especially if you live in a busy area, you'll still get what's it called, bike or Micra or whatever. But we were just there and we were calling on God. Guys, I would not. I feel like dropping, but I was like, I don't want to drop. I cannot start stressing myself and asking another Micra to come and carry me. Guys, that was what happened yesterday night. When I got home, there was no light. I would have, updated you guys about what happened, but there was no light. So I was like, this morning I just have to gist you guys. By the time I got home, I'm sure if they checked my BP yesterday night, guys, my BP must have increased in number, because I was scared at the point, and it's an expressway whereby you tend to see more of trailers, you understand, like trailers right, left, and this man immediately I dropped. I was like, Baba, don't do that again, that's not good enough. You can always find mechanic around you just for you to do this thing. This is what you use for your source of income. This thing brings you money. Why can't you just repair it? And I was like, mommy, my daughter, don't be upset, don't worry, once I get to so place, my mechanic is there, he will repair it for me. And I was like, see, this year I just hoped and I was just like, this year people can just, this, like Nigerians generally, Nigerians can just risk some things, especially those are public transporters, those drivers. They can risk a lot of things. They will know that things are not working in their car or in their bus. They will just leave it that way. They will not be stressing the passenger. On top, we won't pay our money. It's so bad. Anyways, guys, that is the gist for what happened yesterday. So guys, this morning I'm not going out. I have so many videos I recorded in the year 2020, especially December, and I'm here to edit those videos and upload. So I want to take my time today to edit some of them, and at least so that you guys can watch. And guys, I really want to say a very big thanks to you all for supporting me. I don't take it for granted. You see, because I couldn't eat yesterday night now, this is a bowl of cornflakes early in the morning. Early in the morning. I really want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for supporting me. I truly appreciate you. God bless you all. Bless everything you do. I'm really grateful, guys. I'll talk to you guys maybe later in the afternoon, but today I'm not going to work. I ought to be at work, but I won't be going, or I don't know yet. I will talk to you guys later. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I think I should just end this video here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
It's rapid, the sound.
Sabi boy today, yeah.
It's just for the mix.